Imagine for a second if you actually got the resources you needed to heal. Hey everybody, happy holidays. I hope you had a lovely Thanksgiving. My name is Brian Gallagher and I'm a therapist here at the Phoenix Center in Media. And I hope you're watching this because you're considering coming to the open house for the Healer's Haven here at the Phoenix Center on December 12th from 12 to 3. What is the Healer's Haven? The Healer's Haven is based on my experiences over the years getting to go to healing workshops with other therapists, where we come together and we get a chance as colleagues to do some of our own deep emotional work that prepares us to go back into the world refreshed, recharged, and ready to tackle the work we love with more of a sense of our wholeness, sustainably moving forward. I want to have that for me, and I want you to get to have that for you. I want us to build a community of therapists that are getting to do this work together. That is my hope for this, and I would love for you to be a part of it. So please come, December 12th, 12 to 3 at the Phoenix Center. We'd love to see you.